You know, baby, I've been thinking about you a lot. You know, I've been doing a lot of private things of my own. Just me in the bathroom by myself. You know, little hands-on experience. You know, just a little thing for myself.
Yo, I'm $6 million, rapping like I'm Steve Austin, made of steel. Diamonds glitter on the Ampex reel, supercharging my brain cells, glowing extra large in my afro sheen. Skin color should be green. Girls in the backseat with thongs stuck between a boo-boo. I'm rapping through you, on sidelines he's talking to you. My finesse and Batmobiles, cruise with Adam West, down Bronx streets and project buildings holding flashlights. Daily newsies, pull your maxis out in the movies, make you think fast. Rub powder on your diaper ass, catch you with stomachs out, bumps out, and Jimmy Craigin. You still be begging with that body shape like an eggin'. Rhinoceros front with panties piled in the trunk. Playboy books with black tail, my boy reading Hustler. I pull up with no bins, just a Plymouth Duster. Cruising around town, naked bumping James Brown. Underwear like blue, scratching boards with hands down. You see me coming, passing rappers like I'm Mr. Drummond. On your street Pete, your color socks smell like feet. Timberland boots, walking Bentleys with my spacesuits. Astronaut sneakers standing hard by the speakers. We got butlers with maids, condos built in Brazil. Chrysler Godovas, Monte Carlos on the hill. The raw ingredients with hands-on experience. With Nissan trucks worth $100,000. We got butlers with maids, condos built in Brazil. Chrysler Godovas, Monte Carlos on the hill. The raw ingredients with hands-on experience. With Nissan trucks worth $100,000.
Yo, I bust my own, ready to feel thrust. My lust explodes and loads, feeling like Big Pun. The crush, rushing the phones, the episodes are told for sex and videos, laying at home and stands with X. You feeling me? Well then I guess I commence with my 5 niggas rubbing, resorting to self-loving, white blood running. Yeah, well that's some really nasty shit. Well I wouldn't want y'all thinking I'm a sadomasochist. I'm past the list of niggas who masturbate. I flash my wrist when there's no brothers to pass the gate, holding myself down when I'm on the clip. I got gadgets like I'm fucking James Bond and shit. Flipping myself, hitting the spots, keeping it hot. Got the lights off, corns on, ready to rock. Fuck it. Oh, what? I'll praise myself, and I haven't went blind. I got days of health, even amazed at the stealth speed. My hand flicks. I represent for chicks and niggas with their hands on their shit. Ha, you got experience.
We got butlers with maids, condos built in Brazil. Chrysler Godovas, Monte Carlos on the hill. The raw ingredients with hands-on experience. With Nissan trucks worth $100,000.
Yo, it's hand solo one time again. I don't jerk my friends, just for dick again and again. I put a towel up on the floor for easy post cleanup. Get up, pull the floor. So my roommate won't bust me like my mom did, and my dad did, and my college roommate did. With jerkers in my palm, that's fine now. I do it dry, so that's the setup. I tilt my head up, put my fingers on my nipple, switch around my pre-cum dribble, ripping up epidermis 'cause it's easy to be. Shooting low to go to bed 'cause it makes me sleepy. Titties on my mind, post ejaculation, anal perspiration, heavy inhalation. I shot over shoulders in Boulder, Colorado. Shoot on walls and taller stalls is my motto. Like that, y'all, and you don't dare stop. I grab my cock until the cum drops. Mr. ER, you got hands-on experience. Grab the mic and get delirious.
Calluses on my hand, both left and right. Vaseline magazine in my lover hand with a tight slip. Put my wood in a vice grip, and then Janet Jack me with them fine ass lips. I spew glue in the form of Elmer's glue. Up in my mind of pornography, who's who? Channel 35 receiver, dick believer. Spank to the thought of me shaving beavers. I'm Mr. Miyagi, wax on, wax off. I even jerk that dinner on the tablecloths. Paper towel, napkins, tissues not the issue. I know you be fearing this, hands-on experience.
So there you have it, live from the perverted minds of Cool Keith, what? Bobito and Mr. Eon. Another case of hands-on experience.
Put your left hand on, pull your left hand on, pull your right hand on, and we jerk until it's on. We do it up and shuffle till the cum run out. That's what it's all about.